Hi all. In this video, we are going to solve an interesting problem. Here we will get a list of numbers and the target value. If we sum up any two numbers in the array and if they match the target value, then we should return the indices of both numbers in that array. Let's see a few steps to solve the problem. First, we have to create a dictionary. Then we have to iterate through each and every element in the array. Then we have to subtract that element from the target value. If that number exists in the dictionary, then we should return the index of a particular number and the index of the number that we found in that dictionary. Otherwise, we have to store that particular number in the dictionary as a key, and the value is its index. Let's solve the problem. Now I am going to create one dictionary to store my values. Then I am going to create one loop for the number list. Here I am going to enumerate a list so that I will get both the number and its indices. Let's see what it looks like. Here, you can see both numbers and indices together. Okay, well. Now we will implement our first condition. The element that we are getting by subtracting target and number. Whether it exists in the dictionary or not. If it exists, that condition will be executed. That is what we want. Because the basic logic is that if we add both, we get a target. In this loop, I am going to print the index of the current number and the index of the number that we get by subtracting the target and current numbers. Otherwise, I store the number as a key and the index as a value. This is what's happening elsewhere. Wow, it's working. Let's try with another target value. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.